Hello guys. Today we're playing GCSE revision quiz because there's some GCSEs going on, and so you have to practice do some physics here because why not? It's fun, right? Oh, sort of. I mean, yeah. So let's start with it. What is the speed of light in a vacuum? Well, of course, you know it. The so-called speed of light in a vacuum. Electromagnetic spectrum is in the middle. Visible light, and they're the same speeds of the in the EM spectrum, and the answer to it is 3.0 times 10 to the power of 8 meters per second. Huh? It's not working. Wait, hold on, maybe I must type properly here. 10 to the power of 8 meters per second. What the hell is going on? Maybe it's wrong. Okay, not let's just make it into proper form here. So I'm doing physics. Yeah, he's doing physics here. So let's not look at the chat here. Speed of light in a vacuum. That's 300 million. 1, 2, 3. That's 7 zeros. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 meters per second. That's 300. That's 30 million, dude. There we go. 300 million. How am I supposed to remember this? This is the standard form of physics. Two significant figures. Man, I have to remember that. Oh, holy moly. Dude, I have to... What's speed? Speed of light in a vacuum. I have to remember this, dude. Are you kidding me? Like, literally the SF. To SF, dang it. There we go. Newton's second law, or F equals mass times acceleration. Newton, 9.8 years per second squared. Ohm's law, V equals I times R. Like 9 years. What does the law of conservation of energy state? Energy cannot be created nor destroyed. It can be transferred. Hold on. Energy can't be created nor destroyed. It can be transferred. What the heck? Can be created nor destroyed, can be transferred. Hold on. Energy can't be created nor destroyed. What the is it? Energy cannot be created or destroyed. Okay. What? Oh shoot. Oh shit. What is wavelength? Okay, wavelength in a transverse wavelength is the distance from one crest to another in a transverse wave. What's wavelength? Wavelength definition in physics. The distance between identical points or adjacent in the adjacent of the waveform signal. Yeah. The distance between a point on one. Still not loading. Hold on. The distance between two consecutive peaks or throws. Peaks, alright. Wavelength is the distance from one crest's peak to another. Wavelength is the distance from one throw to another. The distance between two consecutive peaks. Crest is a peak. Wavelength. Fine, hints. Measure in wave motion. Okay. Wave speed divided by frequency. Same thing. Water, refraction, the change in speed of light, hours, watts. What's the energy? The energy motion. Oh, this. Potential energy, and is energy stored in an object. It is supposed to be potential energy. Energy stored in a substance. Potential energy definition. The energy possessed by body of virtue. Okay. Stored. Forces on it. Hold on. How about like this? Energy stored. Hold on. Potential energy is the energy stored in an object that changes its shape or size. Okay. Can we just say this? Stored energy. I just said that. Stored energy. There's a stored energy just now. Energy stored. What's the formula of gravitation? Oh. pH. Okay. pH. That's pressure. Principle of reflection. Angle of incidence is the same as angle of reflection. Principle of reflection, is that like the law of reflection? That is, right? Principle of reflection, that's the same as the law of reflection, right? Yeah. Angle of incidence equals the angle of reflection. I just said that. Angle of incidence is equal to the angle of reflection. The incident ray, reflected ray, and the normal lie on the same plane. What? Angle of incident equals angle of reflection. I just said frick. I just said that. What is the electromagnetic spectrum? It's the spectrum that contains electromagnetic radiation from low frequency to high frequency. That's how you say it, isn't it? The spectrum that contains all electromagnetic radiation from low frequency to high frequency. Yeah? Or am I wrong? Hold on. From radio waves to gamma rays. Okay. The spectrum that contain the spectrum from radio waves to gamma rays. That's literally it. What? Hold on. EM spectrum. Full range of organized by frequency or wavelength. Yeah. Is the range for all types of EM radiation. Full range of electromagnetic radiation. Okay. The electromagnetic radiation. What the heck? Spectrum is the full range of electromagnetic radiation. Huh? Consists of radio waves, microwaves, infrared, visible light. How is the spectrum that consists of different electromagnetic radiation such as radio waves, microwave, infrared, visible light, ultraviolet light, X rays, and gamma rays. Huh? The range of all types of... I just said that. Range of all types of electromagnetic radiation. I just said that. 7 constituent colors. Dispersion. How do you say dispersion? Refracts and disperses it. I just said refract and it disperses. What? I just said it. As long as it disperses, solar. Dang it. It just says solar. Okay, maybe my fault, but anyways. Vector has both magnitude and direction. Scalar has only magnitude and vector has both. What? No way. Scalar has no direction and vector has direction. Versus magnitude and direction. I just said that. Lowers and raises voltage to reduce power loss. That's a function in transformer, right? If it lowers and raises voltage, that's what you see in the outside, like the power lines. Reduces to lowers and raises voltage to reduce power loss by reducing steps up and steps down voltage to minimize power loss. Come on, dude. Change voltage level. I just said that. It says step down and step up voltage and to change voltage to reduce Joule heating. What is a nuclear fission? Okay, this is now nuclear physics here. Nuclear fission is the reaction when a neutron gets blasted to a radioactive isotope. Radioisotope. I just hope that makes it split apart into smaller isotopes and some. There's also, I also remember there's like the nuclear fission of uranium to krypton and barium, I think. I'm not sure, and some 3 neutrons. Small isotope and some neutrons. Reaction in which the nucleus of an atom splits into 2 or more small nuclei. Oh yes! Similar to what I said. Come on. It even says 3.0 times 10 to the power of 8. It's kind of bad, like, seriously, okay? Yeah, he keeps trying, and it still won't work. You have to put in the actual digits. I know it sucks. Splitting of a nucleus into smaller nuclei. Dang it. Spin atomic nucleus. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you soon next time.